Day number 89, of feeding my pet seagull to gain his trust. This window really needs a clean, but that's a task for another day. Today we are going to let Steven decide, between Crabbo or Tuno.
Oh my god. Did you say Crabbo? Oh, not again.
Careful, Steven.
Screw this roof.
It do be kinda slippy. But don't worry, I got you, buddy.
Thanks, bitch.
So what will it be, Tuno or Crabbo?
That's a toughie. Can I have a closer look? The Crabbo is really giving me the eyes. What you think?
Whatever moistens the cheeky beaky.
Crabbo.
Excellent choice, sir. I'll be back shortly with your meal. While I'm gone, don't you dare poop on the sofa.
Never tell me what to do. He sounds busy in there. If I act fast, I might still have time to poopy.
Did you just say something?
Huh? I was just saying grace.
I see. I never knew you were a man of the church.
Amen.
Open wide, buddy. It's Crabbo time.
Oh yes.
Take your time, son. You're not even chewing.
No need, it's so tender. It melts as soon as it hits the beak.
Your palate is so educated.
I did a semester in France.
See anything cool?
No. But this is divine. Can I have a sip?
Always, buddy. I poured your favorite. I hear the baby's calling for you.
One more sip.
On you go, buddy.
Whoopsie.
Oh, Steven.
Are you proud of yourself?
We.
The cup was pretty heavy, so I'm quite impressed. Go feed the kiddos, they need their papa.
Bye, bitch.
I hope they can't taste the Crabbo was from a can.
Divine.
I don't want them thinking I cheaped out on them.